Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you a hands-on review of the all-new 2025 upgraded pad, a 10.1-inch Android tablet packed with impressive features. Let's dive right in. Design and build. First off, the tablet sports a sleek and modern design with a large 10.1-inch HD display that's perfect for streaming, browsing, or working on the go. The build quality feels solid and lightweight, making it easy to hold for extended periods. Display. Speaking of the display, the HD resolution delivers sharp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching videos or scrolling through social media, the screen looks crisp and colors are lively. The large screen size makes it a great device for multimedia consumption. Performance. Under the hood, it's powered by an Octa-Core processor paired with 4GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, quick app launches, and a responsive experience overall. I tested running multiple apps at once, and it handled everything without breaking a sweat. Storage and connectivity. With 64GB of RAM, you have plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. Plus, there's support for dual SIM cards, so you can make phone calls and stay connected on the go. Wi-Fi connectivity is stable and fast, making browsing and streaming a breeze. Google Play and apps. And of course, it comes with Google Play Store pre-installed, giving you access to millions of apps, games, and entertainment options. Setting up was straightforward, and I didn't encounter any issues downloading or updating apps. Camera and audio. The tablet features front and rear cameras suitable for video calls and quick photos. The audio quality during calls and media playback was clear and loud, which is great for multimedia use. Battery and extras. Battery life is decent. I got around 8 to 10 hours of mixed usage, which is pretty good for a device in this segment. It also supports Wi-Fi calling and comes with several useful features for everyday use. Conclusion. Overall, the 2025 new upgraded pad 10.1-inch Android tablet offers a fantastic balance of performance, display quality, and connectivity at an affordable price point. Whether you need it for work, entertainment, or staying connected, it's definitely worth considering. Buy link description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.